Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About 30 we can put into number 5 plus 25. This one that is about identities. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we need to put about s minus 5 equals to the square root of number 5 tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 5 tan t square. Number 5 and number 5 we can do about factorization. 1 plus tan t square we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify the square root. Next we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the square root of number 5 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. This one we change by this one. So this one we have 5 tan t square. Number 5 and number 5 we can do about factorization. This one we have secant of t square. The square root of this one we have the square root of number 5 secant of t. So this one and this one we have number 5. Next we need to concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to secant of t tan t dt. dv we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. So tan t square that is about secant of t square minus 1. So this one and this one and the next one secant of t and negative number 1 we can separate them in here. Because negative and negative, so we have positive. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now I can put this one go to the right. So we have number 2. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. Now we have number 5 in here. So in this situation, we put this one go in here. And then I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by the square root of number 5. And we have t equals to octane of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. Oh, sorry, go in here. So tan with octane, we have this one. So I will put this one going here. And this one similar. That is the end. Thank you for watching.